Hello everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. Today we are making a very refreshing salad dish for the very hot summer. It's called green papaya salad. 泰式青木瓜沙拉. You also call samtam in Thailand. The taste is sweet and sour and also a bit of spiciness. It's very appetizing. The green papaya salad is the #1 cold salad dish that people usually order in the Thai restaurants. 1 cup of serving has only 97 calories. It's very healthy and delicious that everybody loves it. And did I mention it's super easy to make? Let's get started. Here is everything we need. Okay, first I'm going to peel the green papaya. Okay, it's peeled. Okay, and then cut the stem off. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to shred it. Okay. Okay, after that, okay. Okay. And keep doing that. Alright, I shredded half papaya. The final will like this and set it aside. Then I'm going to prepare the sauce. First of all, prepare a mixing bowl and a water bottle. So usually in Thailand they use a wooden stick to mash the salad and sauce, but I don't have that, so just use a water bottle to mash it. Okay, first of all, put the garlic inside. Okay, and then add the chili, Thai chili. Okay, mash. Alright, then add the peanuts. Okay, dry shrimp. And the green beans. Then add the palm sugar. And then the fish sauce. Also, okay, squeeze some lime juice. Squeeze 2 lime juice inside. And then add the papaya, shredded papaya inside. Also the cherry tomato, cut it in half. Keep stirring and stamping, mash together, mix together. Okay, it's ready to eat. Okay, put the salad on the serving plate. Alright, so this is today's green papaya salad, sometimes 泰式青木瓜沙拉. It smells really good, just like in a Thai restaurant or in a Thailand right now. Also, I like to pair with iced Thai milk tea, my favorite drink in Thailand. It's just perfect pair together. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next